Do you want this to be your hat on the first day? Do you want to be the laughing stock of the whole company? Or do you want to know what to expect from your first day as a software engineer? So imagine you're walking to the office and boom, you look at your clock. I should have been here 15 minutes ago. Lesson number 1. Be early. You don't want to be the guy who shows up on the first day and is 30 minutes late. Bad luck. So once you get to the office, you'll most likely be given an office tour. Just be sure to keep an eye out where the toilets are, so you know where to go and cry when AI finally replaces us all. Is there actually any hope for programmers?
No.
In all honesty, just take it chill, see where your team sits, and have a good time meeting the other new people. And this is where lesson number 2 comes in. Communicate. Nobody's expecting much from you on your first day, but it's definitely better to be confident and leave a good, long-lasting impression of yourself. Now, I'm not saying you have to go up to every single person and add them on your Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, but a friendly hello can go a long way. Also, look out for if there are any other new people joining with you. These are probably the people who are going through the same experience as you, and they will be the easiest to network with. And who knows, that's maybe gonna be your startup partner one day. After that, you'll be receiving your equipment. You'll probably receive a laptop, but you all know that most of your time will go to choosing what your desktop background is going to be. You will also do some basic setups like creating a user, setting up your programming environment, and going through some general onboarding. And that's basically it for your first day. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a beautiful day.